Menteri Rang Khubor kontrak ke Samla hak arbu khandai tarik nailur ulap pelat patba yaka homestay scheme yaka website bat yaka helpline number banyak rap ikinong wan jengok kai ki bakwa banwat jingtip shua bakin wan syakani Khubor. Menteri Rang ulap pelat patba ru yaki kali bankit yakinong wan kai batip kumki prime tourism vehicle scheme. Menteri Rang ulah samru yaki khusnam syakinong penyat yaki jaka jengok kai perthai ki badan hak Khubor. Hak jingkran kumbukong san Menteri Rang ulah kentu yaki patba ban Shim kabu yaki scheme jaga sarkar ban kentiu yaka tourism kam tam habaya day bat ka homestay scheme. Hak ni kasngi ladon langru Dr. Vijay Kumar, Commissioner and Secretary Katanat Tourism.
One, two, so. One, two, three. Yes. So, sir, the clicker is for this video. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the promotional video.
Tourism sector that this scheme that we have come up with today is really an amazing scheme. I don't think anywhere in the country 70% subsidy is being given for homestays. I don't think anywhere. And therefore this is a very, very positive program and scheme. Please take advantage of this. We really would like to see that we're able to touch the 3,000 room target that we have set under this new mission. At the same time, the new number that we have come out with, of course, other states also may be having, but the way we have unified everything and the way we have professionally done this project, this may be one of the best kind of a tourist helpline number, toll-free number which is available. So this will be something that will, of course, enhance the overall tourist experience. The new website you have seen, we have really improved the overall quality of the website. Almost 2,000 rooms out of the 9,000 today are being digitally checked in. So when tourists come to most of the rooms, there's 2,000 rooms which are already on our portal and on our list. Tourists don't have to give their IDs, don't have to give them. They're already checked in. We have all the register, we have all the information about them. They just come in and they just go into the room, they get the card, they leave. And obviously this also helps us to keep a database of the tourist and also the exact itinerary of the tourist, and all of these things are being digitized today. So this is being done in a large scale. I hope that maybe in about a year or so, all the 9,000 rooms, including the homestays, will also be registered with us, and we'll be able to really make the experience of the customer and the tourist really seamless in the coming days. And of course, this will also help us to provide overall safety and security measures to all the tourists. We will know exactly when they're coming in, when they're going out. So all of these factors will help us to serve and to better the experience of the tourists. And the homestays, I really encourage you to please register with us, because once you registered with us and you take the scheme, that the new scheme that has come out, you get an additional amount of about 50,000, right? So another additional amount of 50,000 for those existing homestays who are going to take this new scheme. So that you will only get if you're registered with us. So we request you to register with us so that you can avail that additional 50,000 subsidy that we are going to give through this particular scheme. So friends, again, I wish you all.
On stage is Khuborjylla Ecotourism Multipurpose Cooperative Society. Next we have Pyllait Ecotourism. Pyllait Ecotourism Cooperative Society. After Longdon Moria, we have Nongiri Village Limput Cave. Let's clap for the state government for that amount. And next we have Sindrang Tourism Promotion Society. Sindrang Tourism.
Okay, 1, 2, and go.